Things are going out of control. All I see is a raging battle in the street. Right versus wrong, of all the color of a man's skin. Eventually all things fall apart. All I see is the poor left with the burden, while policemen and congressmen engage in endless debate. Tell me who comes with the solution. Tell me who exploiting the friction. Tell me who is counting the money when the world is in flames. Whoa, things are falling out of control, and you